If you want to connect your Realme GT8 Pro to PC and transfer data, then we have two ways to do so. We can do this wirelessly and with a USB cable. So first let's try the wireless method. So in this case we can open settings and go to device connect, and then over here tap on the PC option. You can use O+ Connect app, which you can download on your computer in order to connect both devices, your PC and Realme GT8 Pro, and then you will have the option to access all your files and transfer them quite easily. So you want to go to connect.oppo.com, and then over here we can easily download the app for Windows and for Mac OS. Once you install the app, I can recommend you to use your Realme account. It is not really necessary to do so, but it is definitely convenient to sign into your Realme account. So you can click over here on the left side to sign in. In my case, I am already signed into my account. And of course, you need to sign into the same account on your Realme GT8 Pro. So if you don't have an account, then this is a good moment to actually create it, because it's going to be really easy to pair these two devices together. So now on our phone, we can choose to add a new device, and of course we should be able to immediately detect our computer. And there we go, we are immediately connected. You can see that we have Realme GT8 Pro, and now we can go to files, and there we go. Here you can see that I have all files that I have on my phone, which I can easily import and export and so on and so forth. You can also see these different types, so I can go through all of them in order to find everything that I have on my phone without any issues. And this is definitely a really convenient way to transfer files between your phone and your computer. But if you actually decide to use a USB cable, then that is completely fine as well. So in this case, we need to use a USB cable that of course fits the phone and your computer. So most of the time it is USB-C cable, at least one end should be USB-C. So connect your phone to your computer with the USB-C cable. You can try to use the same cable that you use for charging. And once we connect, you might need to go to notifications, and then over here we have charging this device via USB. We want to actually tap on this notification, and we want to switch to file transfer /Android Auto. Then you can open your computer and you should be able to find your Realme GT8 Pro with the internal storage, and here now we can find our files once again. So I can go to screenshots and etc. and camera and so on and so forth, and I can find everything quite easily, and I can just transfer my files from my phone to my computer or the other way around. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.